Are you tired of renting and dreaming of owning your own home? Many people believe that hiring a real estate agent is unnecessary when buying a home, but that may not always be the case. Without real estate agent, you may encounter various challenges such as navigating complex legal procedures, finding the right property, negotiating the price, and managing paperwork. So, as your real estate agent, I can simplify the home buying process and provide guidance on the market trends to help you find your dream home. And real estate agent, they're expert to handle all the details of the transaction to ensure as a smooth closing. So don't miss out on your dream home by going alone. Contact me today and buy your house without any stress. And you'll be glad that you did. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.